In this video, I'm going to show you how to add your website to Google Webmaster Tools, and I'm going to show you how to invite someone to be an administrator to be able to access the data from Webmaster Tools so they can help you out with it. So do a Google search for Webmaster Tools, Google Webmaster Tools, and click on Google Webmaster Tools. Now, I have a few sites here and I've blanked them out just for the privacy of my clients, but what you're going to do is yours will look the same, it's just going to look blank. If you haven't signed up yet, Google will have you sign up. And I want you to sign up with the account that you're using for your office. Don't sign up with your personal Gmail account or whatever that may be. If you're using myoffice@google.com or, at gmail.com, whatever it happens to be, I want you to use that account. So remember, this is the same account that I want you to have Google Analytics in, Webmaster Tools. If we ever need to use AdWords, I want this account to be this way so it's all unified under one office account and not a personal account. So you're going to come here to add a site. And let's just pick a site. Let's do the WordPressDentist.com. And I think I have that already, but let's just do the WP Dentist. That's fine. Remember, the WPDentist.com is free if you're a client of ours. As long as you're a client, this website's free for you. And it's WordPress training. There's something like 19 videos there. Plus, there's videos going to be posted about the SEO plugin that we use on how to use it. So for you and your staff, as long as you're a client, that's free for you. You should check that out. And you can sign up for it for training for free. So anyway, let's hit continue. And now what it's going to do is it's going to ask you to verify it. The easiest thing to do is to download the verification file and then just give it to me. So it's going to be like this. You'll give it to me. I'll upload it. I will tell you that it's ready. And then what will happen is I'll tell you to click verify and it'll be done. That's all you'll have to do. So that's how you go ahead. Another way to do it is if you have Google Analytics already installed, you can go ahead and verify and you can try that. But the easiest thing to do, again, is to just download the verification file, send it to me via email or via Basecamp, and then let me know. And once we put the site live, because you don't want Google doing Webmaster Eval on the test site, because it's not going to gather any data, we would like to wait till the site is live. Now, the next thing you're going to have to do is how to add a user. You're going to have to add me, so I'm going to show you how to do that. So at this point, what I'm going to do is show you how to add a user. Now, when you add a user, the site has to be verified first. So I actually haven't verified the WPDentist.com yet, which is fine. But if you click Manage Site, it's not going to let you do that. You have to verify it first. So let's come to a site that's mine. Let's go to shorthillsdesign.com. And notice that I have two sites for it. I have Short Hills Design and www. And the reason is because Google thinks those are two separate sites. They're not, but don't worry, it doesn't matter how it works. Suffice it to say that what I want you to do is I want you to add one for your www and then add one for it without the www. It's the same steps as I showed you before on how to add a site. So let's go add a user now. And it says here, add or remove users. Let's add a user. And I'm the only user on there. Actually, let's add, my Short Hills Design. Makes that easy, okay? Let's go to davidw@shorthillsdesign.com. And I'm going to do full permissions because it's me. You can do full permissions for me also. I might go ahead and add someone from my team for if we do SEO, we need to gather data. But as the owner of the account, you always have the right to revoke a user. So if you were to look here, you could click here, delete, and I'm done. You see it says owner under my Gmail. Here it's full or restricted. You could always delete me. And that's that. So we can come back now to manage site owners, and you're going to see here some of the verification attempts. That doesn't really matter. And now let's go back to the site dashboard. One of the other things that you should do, or I could do it for you, is to add Google Analytics, connect it all together. So if you come to Manage Site, notice Verify Site's gone because it's verified. Let's go to Google Analytics Property. Now, I'm not going to click it because I have lots of properties attached to it, but suffice it to say that if you click that, you should see your Google Analytics property if it's attached to your same email. If it's not, I can help you do that. It's not a problem to link them together. So in summary, I want you to come into Google Webmaster Tools. I'd like you to create for your www and for your non-www. Come add me as a user to both. Connect the analytics property if that works easily for you. And if not, I'll help you with it. And that's all you have to do. Any questions along the way, let any of us know. Thanks.